Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we will start a new chapter, that is layers of the soil. If you have ever looked closely at the deep pits dug at construction sites, you will know that the soil is not like a uniform. ਸੋ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਪਿਟਸ ਡੀਪ ਪਿਟਸ ਦੇਖੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸੋਇਲ ਕੀ ਆ, ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, uniform solid substance nahi hai. It has layers, it has a layers, and these layers look and feel different, and they are different. Scientists call these layers horizons. ठीक है? So these layers are known as the horizons. So first of all we have a horizon. This is the topmost layer of the soil, often referred to as the topsoil. So what is the a horizon? A horizon, see in diagram, this is the topmost layer of the soil and it is known as the topsoil. So a horizon is the topmost layer of soil and known as the horizon, topsoil. Next, its dark color is due to the presence of humus. So it is in dark in color. It is dark in color because of the presence of the humus. So why it is dark in color? Because of the presence of the humus. Clear? So I have told you about humus now. The particles of this layer are the finest and the action of decomposers make the layer porous. Now the particle of this layer are finest. These are very मतलब जिसमें बारीक होंगे particles. The particle of this layer are finest means बहुत बारीक होंगे and the action of decomposers make the layer porous. तो की करते हैं ये अपने layers ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ porous ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ठीक है? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡੀਕੰਪੋਜ਼ਰਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਲੇਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ porous. This layer supports most plants. Only the roots of very big trees manage to reach the next layer. So what they said that the roots of very big trees manage to reach the next layer. The roots, if a big tree has, so in next layer of the soil, which roots of trees move? Which has a very big trees that only move. Okay, so the roots of very big trees moves into the B horizon, C horizon or R horizon. So A horizon is known as a topsoil. It is dark in color because of the presence of the humus. Particles are very finest and decomposers make the layer porous. And this layer supports most plant. Clear? Now second is B horizon. This is the layer below the topsoil and it is called the subsoil. Now B horizon is a layer below the topsoil and is known as the subsoil. It doesn't contain much humus. So in B horizon we don't have any much humus. So it is lighter in color than the topsoil. So B horizon is lighter in color than the topsoil. It is also coarser and less porous. ठीक है? It is also coarser and less porous, or it is very tightly packed. Since the subsoil doesn't contain much humus, it is not suitable for plant growth. So as the B horizon or subsoil don't contain much humus, so it is not suitable for plant growth. Clear? When rainwater seeps through the topsoil. So when rainwater seeps through the topsoil, what happens?